Hey everyone, this is Erin at Lizzie Knits. I'm going to show you the PFB stitch, which stands for purl front and back. It's an increase of stitches you'll make one stitch into two stitches on the purl side, so it'll blend in and look like a purl stitch. So here on my swatch here, I did the first couple of stitches purl, and now we're going to get this next stitch here, and we're gonna work into it 2 times to create two stitches out of this one. So for this entire process, keep your yarn in the front because you're purling. Take your right needle, insert it into the front of your next stitch, wrap the yarn, and pull the new stitch through onto the right needle. That's same as you normally purl, but this time do not take that left stitch off yet. We're still gonna make one more stitch into here. So for the next step, it's a little trickier. You're going to be working through the back and bring your needle to the front. So I'm gonna take my right needle, cross it over this stitch to the left side, bring it through the stitch into the front. It's gonna look like that. Here, let me show you that one more time. Right needle, cross it over the back and bring it from the left through the stitch underneath to the front. Okay, and now you still have your yarn in the front and your needle is in the front because we're gonna purl again. Wrap the yarn, and you can do this slow too because it's kind of tight, and take that right needle, or hold the stitches if you want, and bring that new loop through the stitch and out. Now, since we got our 2 stitches, you can take this off the left needle. Okay, so I just made 2 purl stitches into one. There they are, and they have the same design element as normal purling. Okay, I'm gonna let me purl to normal, and then we'll do this stitch one more time. Okay, let's do a PFB again. Bring the right needle into the front. This is like normal purling. Wrap the yarn, bring a new stitch up onto the right needle. Keep this one on. We're gonna go into this stitch one more time, but from the back. Just cross the needle over, grab it from the opposite side, and bring your needle tip through to the front. Now the yarn is still in the front. Wrap it around, and you can bring that new loop carefully out onto the right needle. Now we can get rid of this one on the left. Okie dokie. There is PFB, and that's how it's going to look when you make 2 purl stitches into one. Okay, thanks for watching.